Hey guys, this morning Ford dropped some huge news. They are coming out with a Stroppe Edition Bronco two-door. This is to commemorate Bill Stroppe, who was the only person to ever win the Baja 1000 in a stock four-wheel drive in 1969. And if you ever wanted a little Easter egg that is in your gas door, that is to signify that victory. This comes on the heels of last week, Ford introducing the new freewheeling package that can be added to any of the trims. It's a nice 70s and 80s inspired exterior logo package with some unique seat trim as well. But this gets this is pretty wild. Okay, Ford's announcement this morning was a Baja 1000 winning legendary name returns to the Ford lineup for 2025 with the new Bronco Stroppe Special Edition. The successor to the original Stroppe Baja Bronco from the 60s and 70s, this new limited edition Bronco pairs the desert racing spirit of the original with today's off-road capability to create a special high-performance Bronco SUV. When you purchased a Stroppe Baja Bronco in 1971, it rolled out of Bill Stroppe's factory ready to tackle the Baja 1000, said Jason Hyde, Bronco brand manager. That capability was at the core of our development process for the new Bronco Stroppe Special Edition, including Vox internal bypass dampers designed for performance and improved control during high-speed desert running, a standard EcoBoost 2.7 V6 engine, and Baja Goat mode. The Bronco Stroppe Special Edition is available exclusively as a two-door model and takes the place of Wildtrack in the Bronco lineup. It also includes a standard stabilizer bar disconnect, high-performance off-road stability suspension 3.0, and 35-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires, all so it can deliver off-road performance worthy of the Stroppe name. The 2025 Bronco Stroppe Special Edition wears a modern take on the original Calypso Coral, Wimbledon White, and Astra View livery of the Stroppe Baja Broncos. The new Stroppe Heritage paint colors include Oxford White and Code Orange on the body. The first time Code Orange has been used outside the Raptor family, with an Atlas Blue painted hardtop. I really dig the color scheme. It's just a lot of mismatched coloring. It looks really cool. A standard functional matte black hood mitigates sun glare when bounding through the desert at high speed, just like the original Baja Broncos. Additionally, the Bronco Stroppe Special Edition includes the following changes: a frozen white grille with Code Orange Bronco wordmark, Code Orange front tow hooks, and standard steel bumper, Stroppe Special Edition and Bronco branding on the front and rear fenders respectively, squared off high clearance fenders in Code Orange, unique removable side steps with integrated rock rails, 17-inch beadlock capable wheels with a matte black beadlock ring and gloss black spokes, a matte black tailgate. And these are some of the pictures. You can really see that Atlas Blue. It looks really cool on a hardtop. Little special Stroppe Edition with the little cactus logo there. We'll run through some of these photos just real quick. Got the high clearance bumper, Code Orange tow hooks, Code Orange paint. Kind of looked red at first. It's typical of Code Orange. It does typically look kind of a reddish tint. And that back, I really like it. It looks really nice. And this actually does take the place of the Wildtrack, it says. So, Bronco Stroppe Special Edition stands out with white instrument mid-panel, first introduced on the Bronco Heritage, but adds Code Orange accents throughout the cabin, including the Bronco wordmark on the dash, the bezel of the goat mode dial, the insides of the grab handles, and the contrast stitching on the topper and seats. The center console also adds a unique Stroppe Special Edition badge. We've been hinting at the return of a Bronco Stroppe Special Edition with our competition Bronco since returning to the Baja 1000 with the Bronco R in 2020. said North American director Gordon Plato. That combination of code orange, Oxford white, Atlas blue, and matte black paint was chosen very deliberately on our race vehicles. It's an iconic design, and the history behind it is so important to the modern Bronco. Really digging that interior. The interior looks really, really good. Anyway, Ford also just mentions a little bit of a background on Bill Stroppe and how he established the Bronco competition legacy at events like the Baja 1000 and the Nora Mexican 1000. It's really cool. I like it. It's a nice nod to history. You can go in and register your interest in being able to pick up one of these. But I know this is going to take the place of the Wildtrack, but do you think this maybe they end up doing away with some of the Heritage Edition packages, or did they keep that? That's just kind of where I'm at with it. But anyway, yeah, it's really cool. So guys, what are your thoughts on these special editions? Is this something that Ford should keep doing? Are you a fan of it? I personally, I kind of think the fun colors and whatnot are pretty neat. And if you're going to try to honor somebody who made a major accomplishment, doing so with the Stroppe Edition is it's definitely the way to go. A little Sasquatch package on a two-door. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like them. We'll come back when we get a little bit more information on pricing and whatnot. This again is going to be a 2025 special package. And let me know your thoughts. Is this something that you think is cool? Do you like it? Do you think they ought to do more of it? Do you think this is going to be the end of the Heritage Edition? I'm curious to see what you think about this. Sound off in the comments below. And remember, guys, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Jeff. This is Will to Live Off-Road. We'll see you guys later.